Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Facebook page. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Facebook. You can open it from your mobile phone or from your computer. And here, as you can see, I have already opened Facebook from my computer. And if you want to create a page guys, we just need to go to the Facebook menu right here. And then you're going to scroll down until you find the pages. Okay. You can click on see more to see the pages menu, and you can select pages, and this is the page I have created, and I can post on this page. If you want to post, we just need to click on create post, and if you want to create new page, you can select this menu, create new page, and then you can add your page name. For example, I'm going to add tourism. Okay, and the category, for example, I'm just going to type in tourism. Okay, tourist attraction, for example, and then you can add bio. You can describe the page here, but it's optional. And then once you're done, you just need to click on create page. Okay, and then as you can see that my page has been created, and then you can customize your page here. You can add post and so on. And okay guys, that's all the way to create Facebook page. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.